Hello and welcome, I'm back. Still Saturday, and as you can see the weather has changed, it is raining, but I'm going to be determined to do a video. So I'll be walking down here, heading towards the Bramford. And it is absolutely miserable. The weather was fine earlier on, but now the rain has started and it is coming down by the bucket load. So I'm just going to pause the video a sec. I was hoping that the rain was just going to be a little quick shower, but unfortunately it seems to be prolonging a bit longer than I expected. There is blue sky though, so I am hopeful. Now, heading down here, this road here takes you straight down towards the Bramford and the Bramford Arms pub. So this is Gate Street. Zoom out a touch. And the road is called the Tipton Road. So we are on the Tipton Road. I'm not going to go straight down to the bottom. I'm going to divert off and I'm going to take you to a little scenic area. But I thought I'd start the video here and just take you on a little walk first down the road. I've just come out of Sedgley and took shelter there for some time just while the rain passed. It's been about half hour or so. And we have in front, I don't know if you can see at the minute, but we've got a lovely crowd of daffodils. Just in front. Oh, so this is the second video of the day, and just there we have the lovely crowd of daffodils. They are absolutely beautiful, so colourful. And I do believe in front there's one of those 5G masts, so the signal round here should be fantastic. Some more daffodils there. And plus I'm not right by the road, I am just averted away from it, so that helps with the traffic noise. And there's just over the road there, I didn't notice, there's a beautiful view from that gate. Stetton Drive. It's a bus stop there, and over that way we have, I believe, is the Hierarchical School. I know the name's changed now. And also I believe there's like a park area as well. And over there's a nice view. Some beautiful little views. Not been in this area for quite a long time actually. So I'm just going to pause again and get a bit further along down the road. So just come a little bit further down the road. There was actually two ways I could have gone. I could have gone down a street or followed the road down this way. I chose to follow the road. The rain itself has slowed down, but just looking behind, the clouds behind me aren't looking all that good. So it's a bit hit and miss. It's a bit more noisy by the road. And also the video I did first, when I was in Gornal, I've played it back and the wind isn't all that bad. There's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So that's a relief. And hopefully the rain knocks off now. But you can never tell. I mean, they don't give you much footpath here, do they? I'm right on the brink. I think I'm going to have a bit of a quick dash. Oh, it's becoming a bit close. Oh, quickly make it. That's a bit risky, and it's just started hailing. That's all I need. Oh dear. Hopefully I can take shelter in this bus stop. Oh. Well, I dare expect it to start hailing. So I'll just go in this bus stop, and it looks grim out there. So, what bus stop's this? The 229. Zoom out a touch. So I'm in the bus stop. Just stop the video. So I just left the bus stop and I'm just heading down. I think it's Marbella Close, if I've said that correctly. It's still spitting and raining a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna stop all that soon. So I'm gonna move on, try and get as much of the video done as possible, and then I'm gonna head off home, because it looks like it's going to be quite miserable for the rest of the day. Bosworth Close is just there, and I knew it was going to have a touch of rain, but I didn't think it was going to be as bad as what this is. And it started again now, coming down quite fast. I think it's the wind. But anyway, on with the video. So that was the street just up there that I could have cut down, and it leads you to this little section here. Oh dear. I don't know if you can see the rain. It is absolutely steaming down. Oh, I'll be glad to get home and have a cup of tea, I think. So, where are we at the minute? So, we've just come from Marlborough Drive, and this is Tammer Drive. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. I can only apologise. So, I mean, if I just pan across, I mean, it's absolutely horrendous. So this is Roper Walk. I'm heading down now. I'd be glad to get under a bit of cover. So come down the road a touch, and there's a lovely little brook just here, and there we go, a nice little brook flowing. If I just zoom out a touch there, and then goes all the way down here. Unfortunately, people have dumped an old tyre and cone in there, and someone's actually managed to get a can in the tree there. It's quite a remarkable shot. Oh, sorry, I'm around. I'm going to head up this way, and I think I need to get back. I'm absolutely drenched. This used to be a horse's field over here. I don't know if it still is. So I'm going to end the video. As you can see, it's absolutely steaming down and not the best conditions for filming. So I'll call it a day for now. If it picks up, the weather picks up a little bit tomorrow, I shall, or today even, I might go back out and do a bit more filming. But for now, I'm going to head home. So I hope you've all enjoyed the video. I know it was probably not the best, but it's a work in progress. See you all soon.